Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove apps from the taskbar in Acer Chromebook. To do this, first you'll need to click on your launcher, then find the app that you want to add, or actually to remove it, it's a different story. So let's just add this caffeine app right here. We need to press with 2 fingers on our touchpad to enter the settings and pin it to the shelf. And as you can see, it will be pinned, so that means we can open and close it anytime. And now to remove it, you need to do the same thing. Use your 2 fingers on the touchpad and then unpin the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.